I'm about to reveal the surprising reasons why your hormones are all over the place despite trying everything to fix them. Stay tuned so you know what you need to do to feel better. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Renee, and I help women balance their hormones naturally and rewire their brain for better health. And just a reminder, if you enjoy what you learn in today's video, don't forget to subscribe. And I'd really appreciate a thumbs up so I know you resonate with the content. And be sure to hit that little bell icon so you stay updated with my latest content. And a little disclaimer, the videos on this channel are for informational and educational purposes only. They're not intended to be taken as professional medical advice. While I am a doctor, I am not your doctor. So do me a huge favor. If you have a health concern or a medical need, please consult your own personal doctor or healthcare practitioner. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get into it. Hormone balance is key to feeling your best, and sometimes it can be really tricky to figure out what's going wrong. So here are 10 reasons why you might be having trouble healing your hormones. First up, leaky gut. Now, this happens when the lining of your gut isn't working properly. The cells actually develop little gaps between them, which allows undigested food, particles, toxins, and even bacteria through the gut lining. And this can in turn lead to inflammation and mess with your hormones. Healing your gut is super important for keeping your hormones in check. You can think of it as fixing the foundation of a house before you do anything else. You want to fix your gut before you fix anything else. Reason number 2, processed foods. These foods can have harmful additives and lack the good stuff that our bodies actually need. When you eat a lot of processed foods, it can throw your hormones out of balance. So I highly encourage you to try to eat whole, real foods as much as possible. Reason number 3, your detox pathways are all clogged up. Our bodies need a detox, and if your liver and other detox organs like your gut are overwhelmed, they can't do their job right. What this means is extra hormones can build up and cause problems. So I'd highly encourage you to support your detox pathways by drinking plenty of water, by sweating, deep breathing, dry brushing, and eating detoxifying foods like garlic and onions. Reason number 4, you're not eating enough. Undereating can be a big issue. If you're not getting enough calories, your body gets stressed and you can't produce your hormones properly. So make sure you're eating enough and getting a good mix of nutrients to support your hormone health. Reason number 5, constant, unrelenting stress. Stress is a huge factor. You cannot balance your hormones if you don't get your stress under control. When you're constantly stressed, your body stays in survival mode, which affects your hormone production. It's important to find ways to manage stress, like meditation, deep breathing, and even regular exercise. This doesn't have to be hard. Basically, do more of the things that you personally find stress relieving. Do them more often. Okay, before we get into the final 5 reasons, I just want to pause for a second and invite you to watch the replay of a completely free masterclass that I did where I uncovered the 3 proven strategies to balance your hormones. If you're tired of feeling sluggish, out of balance, and just not yourself, this masterclass is for you. I've distilled years of research and practical application into 3 powerful strategies that address the root causes of hormonal imbalance. This masterclass is your key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. So I'll be sure to drop the link for the replay below. Do not miss out on this chance to take the first step towards true hormonal balance. Okay, now on to the last 5 reasons why you can't get your hormones balanced no matter what you do. Reason number 6, you might have a vitamin or a mineral deficiency. Vitamins and minerals are crucial for hormone health. So if you're lacking essential nutrients, your hormones are going to be all out of whack. You want to make sure you're eating a balanced diet and consider high quality supplements if needed. And I did an entire video on this topic, so check it out. Reason number 7, you're only focused on calories in and calories out. Focusing only on calories can be misleading. While it's really important to maintain a healthy weight, the quality of your food matters a lot too. I want you to choose nutrient-rich, balanced meals instead of just counting calories. Reason number 8, you might have an underactive thyroid. Your thyroid plays a big role in hormone balance, and if it's not working properly, it can throw off many hormones in your body. If you think your thyroid might be underactive, go to your doc and get your hormone levels checked. Reason number 9, you're taking a DIY approach. Hormonal imbalances can be complex. Trying to fix them on your own can be tough. Working with a healthcare professional with an expertise in hormone health can give you a place to start, give you a personalized plan, and help you get on the right track. Feel free to send me a message if you need more help. And lastly, reason number 10, you are on a blood sugar roller coaster. Besides stress, you can never truly achieve hormone harmony if your blood sugars are not kept in check. If your blood sugar is constantly spiking and crashing, it can cause major hormone issues. Keep your blood sugar stable by eating balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. So there you have it, the 10 reasons why you might be struggling to heal your hormones. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. And if you enjoyed this video, check out this video where I talked about 9 basic hormone facts every woman should know. And with that, we'll see you right back here next week. Ciao.